We're doing it on Omega. Last time I said Nexus. I'm back with sub duels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link it to the brains. Okay, MORN64 versus Let's Duel. Dude!
Get going, dude.
We just dueled on ranked. And he wants his revenge. Same deck.
Kid, I break game 1 and game 2. Or game 1 and game 3. Alright, let's do this.
Let's go. Hopefully this video goes good and I could upload it.
Hopefully.
It's like I could do one video, like a full, and then the next one will lag. Like I need a new PC or something.
Yeah. Normal summon, activate Scorpio, pitching Mizuki, the special summon from deck.
Get that out of here. Hit you with the orange light.
Well, I guess we're gonna do this then.
Oh, whoa, what?
No, nobody ever actually hits there. Well, you got it.
Come on. Ooh. I gotta do it. I gotta go with this. Main phase 1. Normal summon diviner, activate effect.
Starting with the diviner plays, I see.
Yep. Sent to the graveyard. Herald of Arclight. Arclight effect. Yeah, I think it would have to be add to hand band 10.
Yeah, just going with the casual plays.
Drytron Nova. Special summon Alpha. Alpha Linkaribo.
Ah, the 2 Linkaribos.
Yep. Alpha, tribute band 10.
They're both glaring at each other from behind.
Special summon. Activate effect. Adding Duelist. Natasha.
Alright.
Band 10. Eva.
Ah, damn, that should have gotten banned.
Fuck. Oh, it's okay.
Either Eva should have been banned or Ben 10 should have been put to 1.
Ben 10's at 1.
Oh, it is at 1?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought. Oh, wait, that's right. I forgot it was already put at 1.
Birthday Anaconda, activate effect. Copy Red S Fusion.
Yeah.
Nice.
Dragoon kind of just does carry plays.
Yugioh Shogun. Red Eyes, Dark Dragoon. Goon. Pop and burn.
Not the 300 damage.
Battle. Goon direct.
I should still be able to play.
And Karibo, direct attack. Bird plant, bird anaconda. Direct attack.
What do I draw? I'm getting ahead of myself. It's not my turn yet.
If it's two, nothing. Tunundo. What you gonna do?
I'm gonna normal summon and Uni-Zombie. I'm gonna activate Confit, special summon. I'm gonna activate. Oh, there it is. Now it's allowing me. I'm gonna check really quick. 1 second. I'm gonna activate Uni-Zombie, targeting Confit with discard and increase level.
Get the heck out of here. Hit you with an orange light.
Alright.
Negate, destroy,
How many
Eva's
negates
effect.
this deck has?
I'll banish. And the 2 orange lights I could do. No, let's go like this. Those 2.
No.
To add those 2. What you gonna do?
Wait, Mizuki. Mizuki, the special summon Uni-Zombie.
Get that out of here. Orange light.
Yep. Cards are kind of dumb. The fact that you can activate orange light and immediately search for another orange light and another target to discard.
Just get a premature burial, or what's that? The not premature burial.
Talking about return from the different dimension.
The equip spell card that special summons from the banished.
Different dimension reincarnation.
There you go, something like that, yeah.
Yeah, I remember it's because it's DDR, also known as Dance Dance Revolution.
Yeah.
Speaking of revolution, we're gonna surrender and revolutionize my side deck here.
Okay. Let's duel wings. What does this card say again? I think I'll
what I want to do.
this. Alright, I'm done.
Alright, well, I'm going first.
Good luck, have fun.
Good luck. Ready Fusion, special summon Albane. Special summon Chester Confit. Normal summon Mizuki. I will Link summon 2 for Healthy Fibrax. Activate Hulk. Yep.
Orange light. What you gonna do, huh?
Being annoyed that that it also destroys.
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. I'm literally in the same exact situation.
Come on. Dodo! Oh! God dang it. Red Eyes Fusion.
Oh, we're just hard drawing Red Eyes Fusion.
I just drew that.
Well, at least this should be somewhat easier.
Yugioh Shogun. Kokihatsu. Battle. Oh, battle. Goon. Direct. Come on.
The damage. What was that lag?
Tonendo. Yeah, a little bit of lag there.
Wait, Jackalope?
Goon. Negate. Oh shit.
Does Drytron really just kill it? Yeah. Well, no, not Drytron's. Dragoon straight up just kills it. God, Dragoon is such an annoying monster to deal with.
Oh, it's Mizuki.
We're gonna go for this play.
Oh, you're gonna kill yourself?
Yes. There's. Oh my god, Dragoon. I mean, there's a reason why people hate it. It kind of just wins you games.
It's
It wins
legal.
you games for free.
It's legal.
Yes, it is legal. Doesn't mean it doesn't win you games for free.
Don't
Go
scoop.
ahead.
Don't scoop. Don't scoop. Dodo. I'm just gonna battle. Goon.
Good game.
Finish him.
Dragoon is dumb. That's all I have to say.
Let's Duel wins. Thank you, MORN64, for the rematch.
Yeah. It's unfortunate that Dragoon is just that good.
One of the best fusions ever made. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.